Good morning, it's Monday the 8th of August 2016, Rugby, where we've got a sort of drainage problem out. I'll go around it and show you what's going on. I brought the lucky drains, we brought all of this stuff. Got my friend Billy helping me today. And I've already started on the job on Friday really. Now what it is, this was a show house, garden, and what used to happen was all the drainage off this apex roof on this block of garages, which doesn't belong to this house, were coming down this pipe, which used to be this side of the fence, and going into a pipe in the ground down there. I don't know if you can still see it, and also the pipe coming down from next door's side of the roof was coming down, going underground and connected into that pipe, that same pipe, which only goes about halfway across the lawn underneath and finishes. It doesn't go into anything. So what I've done, I've moved that pipe outside into the car park, and I've connected up to next doors and put a join on the bottom and brought the pipe through the fence and spliced it into the pipe going into the car park. And now what we've got to do is put a gully the other side of that and AccuDrains all around the other side. The water's been coming in here for about 18 months or so, and actually underneath the decking is all swamped and there's nowhere for that water to go. In fact, tadpoles and frogs have been hatching out in it. I don't know if you can actually see the water through the gaps, but it is stagnant water in there, which is a health hazard. This is artificial grass, and it's all lumpy because the water has washed all the sand out of it from underneath it, and the same here. So hopefully now all the water off that block of 4 garages is going to be channeled out into the car park. The water used to come across there, fill up where that dog's dish is there. The water used to come up to the top of that and flow through here, through the garden and down the step and onto the car park, and by all accounts it was like Niagara Falls. So anyway, let's take a step back from the garden, have a look. What I've done, I've diverted the pipe and put it down and spliced that other one in. I've just put that pipe on it to run it temporary, but we're going to put a gully in the bottom here and run AccuDrains all the way down, all the way around here, all the way in front of the garage here and down across, and we're going to marry up with that full pipe here and possibly put some AccuDrains in here, depending on this box and where the wiring is underneath it. So we've got our work cut out, quite a bit of work to do here. We're going to get started on that now today. Been cutting this with a disc cutter. I've just cut a sort of a pilot run along here, and I'll do a bit more while he's away. Right, I've cut that bit out. It's just the pilot I'm doing at the moment. So while Billy's away getting some more masks, I'm going to cut down here. You don't need to see that, do you? Well, it's taken about half an hour to cut through this to go the depth of the blade, so it's really ample supply of tarmac down here, that's for sure. It's going to take some cutting to get all the way around. Right, we've cut it out along here with the disc cutter. Now I'm just going around it with the jack. About 4 or 5 inches, maybe 6 inches of tarmac here. There you go, so we've got to do that all the way along and dig out the loose. So we'll get on with that and film a bit more as we go. Yeah, well, I've just filled that along there and Billy's shoveling it out. Doing a good job. There's concrete around this pipe here, so that's going to be a bit harder to dig out than the tarmac. Tarmac's pretty tough, but we're going to be able to dig that out to get the gully in. Digging around this drain. We're going to put the gully in alongside that drain there, so that it's got a nice catch pit to catch all the dirt that might wash off the car park and into the drains. Save it going into the main drainage system. Well, we've dug down here where we're going to put this gully in, and we're going to put it alongside the drain here so that it catches all the water that comes down and washes all the dirt off the car park and actually goes into that gully through the top of the grid. But as long as it goes into it, even from the side, it's going to trap everything. So what's going to happen is the gully's going to be a little bit proud. It's going to be a little bit high. Do you want to put that back in a minute, Bill? Billy's just going to put that back in, and it's going to show you that even when it's in there, it's actually going to stick a bit proud above the ground. But the thing is, that's going to have a grid on the top, that grid there, and but the water's not going to go down that. That's not there for the water to go down. The actual accu drains are going to go in here and round the corner. That is only going to be a catch pit to catch any dirt that might get washed off the car park and down through the drains here. So that lid on there, this grid, can actually be taken up and cleaned out without having to dislodge the pipe or anything here. So it'd probably be better to put it there. The fact that it looks high isn't going to make any difference whatsoever, because the amount of water running off the car park isn't going to go in there anyway. It's going into the echo drains. So I mean, we could cheat and we could cut the bottom off the gully and put it down and nobody knows the difference, but we won't do that. We'll let you see exactly what we're doing, but it will work and it'll be perfect. Well, we've got all this dug out. We've got the gully in, cut to size to actually fit so that it's flush with the ground, so it still won't be sticking up in the air after all, which is good. So we're just going to put one more echo drain in and cement it in, and then tomorrow we should have a better run at it. But this has been the most fiddly bit here, but it's all nicely connected now. Just got a bit of grouting to do, fill up packing around that to do, and Bob's your uncle. Billy's mixing up a mix of nice strong concrete cement, and I'm chiseling out chasing out this here, the channel, and there's 2 layers of tarmac. There's about 3 inches of base and 1.5 inches of topping. So this is how it's looking up to now. It's not even raining. Can't believe this. Doing a drainage job and it's not raining, but count our blessings. Right. There you go. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, so got to go all the way around doing that. We're going to start cementing these gullies in now. They're going down well. Billy's just put the bed in here. taking the grime off. Quite well grind in, you know. This is only the dust from the grinder. And as you can see, that's cement. Yeah, it's just a bit concrete in here for some reason. But he's making a good job of chiseling it out with a trusty little baby jackhammer, which is very, very good for the size of it. I've jet washed all the dirt off this now, so it's looking pretty clean. So we're going to have a clear run today, just putting these row in. Hopefully we'll get this completed. Just got to put a gully on the top end there and get rid of the pile of dirt. Well, as you can see, the hedgings are actually concreted in, and the concrete's a bit high, so we've got to make this like the tarmac house. We've got to go down about an inch on the concrete as well. It's kind of expected. We've gone all the way along there. Hopefully we'll get what we do today. Been digging this out for about an hour. Absolute solid concrete where this gully's got to go. I'm going to have to put a bend on it to bring it up to connect it to the backhoe drain. So I'm still carrying on with this for a bit. Well, as you can see, we've got that chiselled out and cut the pipe to size, and that looks okay. Quite pleased with that. I'm going to put the vacuum drains in now. Billy's around here, he's just been putting the bed down for me, so I reckon I can follow through with some drains. Well, last day here today, just for a couple of hours. I'm doing some jet washing, cleaning the place up. I'm cleaning the place up that's not even our mess, but just making it look nice. Billy's going round and he's doing some point with some black cement just to make it look nice. He's doing a pretty good job there. I think I'll hire him. Yeah, he's doing good. That's great. And little doggy, well, she's in here and she's playing. Hey, who's this? He's got a little friend. Hey, who's these then? Hey. Yeah, this is the lady's dog. Sorry, what's your name again?
It's Lorraine.
Lorraine. Oh, you can be famous now. Go on, Abby.
Oh, don't like you nothing.
That's the lady we're doing the job for. She makes great tea as well. Anyway, we've been finished here today, and I don't know whether she's too camera shy to say that she's happy with our job or not. Are you? You happy
Very
with everything?
happy, yes.
Good, brilliant. Just waiting for the big rain to come now so that we can find out, watch the water going in a different direction.
It should do, shouldn't it?
Yeah, great. Well, our drains are fine and they're working and we've jet washed it, but yeah, we're doing this remedial work for a well-known national building company, and they've hired us to just come and put things, improve things around here on the drainage, and hopefully we've done that. So there you go. Hopefully it'll be good. Just going to recap on everything we've done. We've taken the pipe and brought it down behind the fence. We've coupled up here, through the fence here. We've put grid drains all the way along. We've diverted the pipe work from that gutter into a gully. And put that backhoe drains all the way around. Pointed it up with black dye all the way along, jet washed everything, and give it a fair good clean up where we've been. Car park wasn't exactly pristine when we got here, but we cleaned up the mess we made, and we've also jet washed under the arch here because that was very dirty. Could still be done with again, but really it's not our job, but we just made it as a complimentary gesture, like we do. Anyway, everything works. We've put plenty of water down. It did rain a little bit last night, not enough to cause torrents of water, but it was pretty heavy for an hour or so. Thanks, Bill.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
There you go then. Job complete. a job for a well-known national house building company, and we've rectified one little snagging problem they had, and it will probably be one of a few other jobs around the country. Thanks for watching.